In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-edit swim lane flowchart set up in the right place, named clearly, and ready for your team to use. First, open ClickUp in your browser or launch the desktop app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. For the smoothest experience, I recommend using a full desktop window so you can easily see the sidebar and template options. Next, choose the space where you want this flowchart to live. A space is the highest level inside your workspace for organizing related work, so pick the one your project team already uses. This helps with permissions and visibility, ensuring the right people can access and collaborate from day one. Inside that space, look for the plus icon that lets you add something new. You'll typically find it near the top of the interface or close to your views. Clicking this opens creation options, including access to templates. Using a template is a huge time saver and gives you a consistent structure to start from. From the menu, select Templates. This opens the gallery where you can browse or search. In the search bar, type Flowchart. You'll see a variety of options appear. We're going to set up a swim lane style diagram because it's perfect for showing how different people, teams, or stages interact across a process. Choose the swim lane flowchart. If a preview is available, take a quick look to confirm it fits your use case. Swim lanes are especially helpful for cross-functional workflows, approvals, or handoffs because each lane represents a role or department, and the steps show how work moves between them. Click Use Template to begin adding it to your space. Make sure it's targeting the correct space and location so your team can find it later without digging. When prompted, enter a clear descriptive name. A simple formula works well. Start with the process name, then add the team or function, and optionally a date or version. For example, onboarding flowchart, operations. Clear naming makes it easier to search and maintain. Finally, confirm by clicking Use Template again and wait for it to load. This might take a moment. Don't refresh. Once it opens, you'll see the lanes, shapes, and connectors ready to customize. Update lane titles to match your teams, rename steps, and adjust connectors to reflect your real process. You can also zoom, rearrange, and color code for clarity. Invite collaborators to comment or refine the flow so it reflects how your work actually happens. That's it. You went to ClickUp, opened your space, used the plus icon, selected templates, searched for flowchart, picked the swim lane flowchart, used the template, named it, and waited for it to load. You're ready to map your process with confidence.